जनरली इंटरव्यूज में पूछा जाता है द डिफरेंस बिटवीन HashMap, LinkedHashMap एंड TreeMap. And to explain this difference, what I have done, I have created these three different data structures: HashMap, LinkedHashMap, and TreeMap, and I am trying to store same key value pairs for in each of the data structures. And at the end, I am trying to print all of the data structures. Okay, so let's run this program and try to observe the output. If you notice, for HashMap, we are storing 18 first, then 14, and then 12. But during the retrieval, you will see that we get elements in random order. First we got 18, then we got 12, and then we got 14 as a key, which means that insertion order is random in case of HashMap. If I talk about the linked HashMap, in that case, if you see in whatever the order we have inserted element, during retrieval, we are also getting the element in the same order, which means that linked HashMap maintains the order of insertion of key value pairs. And if I talk about the TreeMap, in TreeMap, if you notice, first we are getting 12, then we are getting 14, and then at the last we are getting 18. So in case of TreeMap, all the key value pairs are sorted based on the keys in the ascending order. However, you can also sort it in the descending order as well. But this is the primary difference between these three data structures. Like in case of HashMap, insertion order is not maintained. In case of linked HashMap, insertion order is maintained. And in case of TreeMap, basically all elements, all the key value pairs are sorted based on the keys. Apart from that, in terms of type complexity, HashMap is the fastest because it is backed by hash table, okay, and the average time complexity for insertion or for retrieval of the element is O of 1. Though if I talk about the TreeMap, it is bit slow because sorting is involved here, and internally it is backed by red-black tree, okay, so it uses red-black tree to store key value pairs. If I talk about the linked HashMap, again in case of linked HashMap also, if you see the average time complexity, it is O of 1, and it internally uses the hash table and the doubly linked list to store the key value pairs. So these are the three basic differences between the HashMap, linked HashMap and TreeMap. And आगे ऐसे ही informations को जानने के लिए do follow concepts of CS. That's all for today. Stay tuned for the next video. Bye bye.